In this guide, I'll show you how to add a non-Steam game to your Steam library. First, open Steam and click on Add a Game in the bottom left corner. From the menu, select Add a non-Steam game. This will open a list of programs installed on your computer. If you see your game in the list, simply select it and click Add Selected Programs. If your game doesn't appear in the list, click on Browse in the bottom left corner. Then, navigate to the location where your game is installed. For example, if your game is installed on the C drive, open Local Disk, C, then go into Program Files or Program Files, x86, and look for the Games folder. In my case, the game is installed through the Epic Games launcher, so I opened the Epic Games folder, selected the Games folder, and chose the Games application.exe file. After selecting it, click Open. The game will now appear in the list. Select it and click Add Selected Programs. Finally, go to your Steam library, find the game, and double-click it to launch. You can now play your non-Steam game directly through Steam. If you found this guide helpful, consider liking the video and subscribing for more tutorials.